guys, just a quick little video. I thought I would just edge this coaster in gold, just to pick up this gold here with my Krylon gold leafing pen, and I really like it, so I thought I'll stop and show you what I did. So I didn't do the whole side. I can't see the point of doing that whole side. These pens are really expensive and that would be a lot of gold. So I just actually did that top rim. What do you think? I think it looks really nice. Look at that. Between those three, it looks really pretty, doesn't it? So this is it here, the Krylon pen. And all I did was make sure it's clean. See if I can do it without stuffing it up, because I'm trying to watch what I'm doing through the screen and watch what I'm doing with the coaster. So basically I'm just using half of the pen on the coaster on the very edge like that. So I'm not going over the top of it and I'm not going over the side, I'm just going on the actual rim. So let's see if I can do it. So just line it up halfway with that little nib. And you actually have to make sure that your fingers aren't touching, otherwise you can't really slide it very well. Basically just going to slide it around and then kind of lift it up at the end and then move it around. You can only do a little bit at a time and then you have to rotate it. Like that. See, pretty easy. So just doing the little rim there. So you're kind of getting half on, well, half of it's on that side, half of it's on that side, and then the edge. You guys know what I mean, hey? I think it looks really pretty though, doing it that way. Whoops. You can wipe it off. If you make a mistake, you can wipe it off. If it dries pretty quick. I will have to get the alcohol swab and do that. It's really difficult because I'm not holding it up where I should be holding it, because I'm trying to get it in screen for you. So anyway, I'll just go over that little bit with the alcohol swab. And look, we're nearly done. Ta-da! Dunskies. Doesn't that look pretty? Just finishes it off, doesn't it? And because you're only, you're resting the nib on the actual edge, it gives you something to follow. So shall we do the other one as well? Let's see if we can go a little bit quicker this time. Once you've got the hang of it, excuse me, it really doesn't take very long. Just got to do little bits at a time. And I like to do it away from myself. I don't know whether that's the best way, but that's how I do it. Just away from myself and lift up at the edge there. See, it's pretty quick. Done! Ta-da! I just think it looks so much nicer. While I've got you here, let's do a copper one. So this one here, pretty pretty. It's got a lot of copper sparkle in it. It has got a little bit of gold in the middle, but it's mainly copper. So let's do the same thing with the copper pen and go around the very, it's a little bit easier on this one because with this is the back, that's the front, so it's got this little rim, so it's actually quite easy just to paint that rim. But I'm going to use, I use the back on those ones, but this one, there's the little rim there, so we'll just follow that, hey? It should be pretty easy to do. Again, half of the nib on the coaster and half off. That way we just get a little bit on the top. You could, if you wanted to, I guess, make it thicker, but I don't think it needs to be thicker. I think it just needs a little, just a little bit of copper. It's much easier with this, doing the top rim, because you have got something to follow. There we go. So pretty, isn't it? I guess if you wanted to, you could go over it again just to get a little bit more on the side. So again, half on, half off, all the way around. Don't smudge what you've already done. And that'll just give you that beautiful finish on the top there. Hey, gorgeous, isn't it? Now what am I up to? Might as well keep going. So with this one, it's more of a two-part, isn't it? Because you're doing the top and then you're doing the side of the rim as well. A bit of a wobble there. And I think we're done. That's just the top edge is done. And then that lip's done. Beautiful. And then I might as well do the other one as well. So that's the copper pan with that one. And then this one, might as well do him as well. He's all blue. He's got a little bit of silver in the bottom. You can't really see it. That's the back. There's some silver in there, but I prefer this one. So we'll do this one, the side, and that is with the silver leafing pen. When you get them, the nib is white. You have to give them a good shake and a few presses down onto some cardboard or some paper to get the paint to flow through. So we'll do the same thing on this one. See if I can zoom in for you. There we go. Half on, half off. My silver pen doesn't seem to be working as well as the others. I don't know why. It's going to take that off. It was a bit thick. So you can take it off straight away. So I'm just actually pushing the edge of my pen into the rim there. So just get a really, really thin, that works better actually. Pushing it into the rim, and then I'll do the top as well in a minute. For some reason, maybe I've damaged it a little bit, I don't know. On other projects, just doesn't have as much coming out as the other colours did. See, that's not as thick. I'll give it a bit of a push down there to get the colour coming through, see if that works. That's better. I don't know, it's just not working as well as the others. Continue. I'll have to touch that up with my alcohol wipe, I think. It's kind of given a bit of a smudgy look there. All right, let's do the edge here, same as we did before. Half on, half off. Just keep moving it around as you work your way around. Hopefully this little video's been helpful for some of you. Yeah, the saw is just not working as well. But we've got a beautiful edge there. And I will just have to go and tidy up a few little areas. But look at it shimmer. It's a really pretty metallic paint. And they've got silver, copper and gold. So there we go. That's them. So grab yourself some of these. I just thought it was good having one in each colour. That's the silver. And the copper. Oh, not real good with the light today. Always have trouble with the light. Oh. With the glare. And the purple ones. So there we go. Nice and easy with the Krylon leafing pens. Righto, hope you've enjoyed that. Hope you learnt something. Give it a go. Nice and easy to do. All right, I'll see you real soon for the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.